Welcome to Simple Tech Tips. Today we'll learn how to change the default search engine on Edge browser. First open Edge, then go to this three dot button and then click it, and then from there go to the settings. After you go there, you have to go to the left and find this privacy, search and services. Click here, and then from there scroll down and find search and connected experience. Click it. After you click it, you will see a couple of options here, and this one is the one that we need: address bar and search. Click it, and then from here you will be able to change the search engines from Bing to like others. Let's say like if you right now, before we change, if we'll go here and search something like, I don't know, maybe football, you'll see like it's using Bing. And now change it from Bing to Google and write football again, and it's Google now. So before, you see like it was Bing and now Google. Same goes for other search engines. You can just use any other search engines they're listed. So this is how you change the search engine on Edge browser. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.